Welcome back to Spank Ranch Garage. This is my buddy Alex's car. He was in a pretty bad wreck with it, as you can see. Alex, would you like to show him how you're doing now?
Hey, yeah.
So how long ago was it?
What's going on, YouTubers? This was May 7th, 2020, so a little over a year ago.
Today's June 26, 2021. This guy's walking again.
Yeah.
Nobody thought it was possible, but he's making an awesome recovery here. So, car's been sitting back here a little while, and now it's time to cut it apart and take all the usable parts off of it, sell them, take the rest of the scrapyard. Time to move on from this chapter. So.
If anybody wants a boost gauge, got one right here.
Perfect. Coil rag, got a warranty that.
Yeah. Miata magazine from 1991. I don't know how, why I had it.
Yeah, that's.
Hell yeah.
Ooh, sway bar looks pretty straight. That's an
awesome.
aftermarket one, ain't it?
It's an FM sway bar, and those
Yeah.
things are crazy backloads right now.
We're starting to see an engine. This is going a
Yeah.
little easier than I thought.
Exciting. Awesome.
Sawzall's doing work today.
Definitely is.
Ooh. Come on, you floppy little wiener. Let's get this turbo off here.
Hell yeah. Ah, fuck.
Doesn't look any better on its side than it does on the ground.
Nope.
Alright, subframe is unbolted. Alex just grabbed what remains of the suspension over there. Obviously, don't be underneath this car. We're not letting it kill a second time. We're working safe here. Oh yeah. All right, got a bit of a rain delay here. Dang. The sun's coming. Closer.
3. Oh yeah.
All right, put some tension on it. Stay there. Keep going. There you go. All right, creep forward a little. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right, she's free. Off to its new home. That wraps up this episode of Spank Ranch Garage. You probably saw some real cowboy stuff getting this motor out. So I got the cowboy hat on. Don't do any of that at home. It's probably not safe. But anyway, it's really hard to get parts out of totally mangled cars. It's not your average car where you just unbolt things and they fall out. So anyway, this closes a chapter in my friend's life and my life. We're getting rid of this. It's going to scrap. The motor will go in another car. A couple of the other parts will be sold for other race cars, and we're moving on. So thanks for watching Spank Ranch Garage. See you next time.